As we dive into the world of Python programming, it's essential to understand how to unleash its true power. In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through mastering code efficiency in just a few simple steps. First off, let's talk about the importance of reading and understanding Python documentation thoroughly. The official Python docs provide invaluable insights and examples that can help elevate your coding skills from beginner to advanced levels. So, don't just skim through them, make sure to dig deep into each concept and absorb every detail. Next up is optimizing your code for maximum efficiency. This might involve refactoring time-consuming loops or utilizing built-in functions like map, filter, and reduce effectively. The goal here is to ensure that your Python scripts run as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Now, let's not forget the significance of writing clean and maintainable code. Follow best practices, such as adhering to PDP-8 style guidelines, breaking down complex problems into smaller functions, and adding appropriate comments to make your code more human-readable. Remember, the easier it is for others and future you to understand what your code does, the better. Lastly, don't be afraid of external libraries and modules that can enhance Python's power even further. With over 200,000 packages available on PyPI, explore the realm of web development, data science, machine learning, and more by leveraging these tools. The possibilities are endless. By following these steps, thoroughly studying documentation, optimizing code execution, writing clean code, and exploring external libraries, you'll be well on your way to mastering Python's efficiency. Embrace its power, enjoy the journey, and happy coding.